The lighting is really bad, right? I think we need a studio light.
Hello people, I am Veda and welcome to Very Random Creations. Today we are going to create a studio light. Let's jump right into it now.
Alright, so I'm gonna build my own light now. For that, first we need a light adapter. And I'm using this 30-watt LED light, which gives around 3000 lumens. To plug it into the wall, we have got a 2-pin plug. And finally, a light dimmer to control the brightness and to turn it on and off. If we remove the diffuser, you can see there are like 66 LEDs in here. Let's start building this thing. Here, I'm just sketching out the LED and also marking its dimensions. And here, I'm just sketching out the holder and marking its dimensions, which is also going to help me in designing the LED enclosure. And now, for the design of the enclosure, you might have seen this kind of design in a gym basically. It is used to alter the position of an equipment. And now, I'm going to utilize the same kind of design which can be used to alter the position of the LED light. I have got a holder here. As you can see, it's used to adjust the angle of the LED light. You can set it at 4 different angles. Let's pull this out. Yeah, this is the holder. I have also designed the base to hold the pipe. It's got 3 legs to support the light. This is the base. Let's start putting it together. First, we will attach the dimmer to this plate. I need to put the dimmer on the other side, then a washer and nut to tighten it, and finally the knob on top. We have got this light holder with a wire. We need to connect the dimmer to this line in series. I'm just cutting the end and connecting it to the regulator. Then we need to apply some flux and solder it. And finally, I am going to use this Kapton tape to insulate everything. Now let's put it together. This is a 3D printed holder. We need to insert the light adapter from the other end and secure it tightly with the cover. Then we pass this wire through this hole. Cover goes like this and we will fasten it with screws. Yep, these screws are in and this is the finished holder assembly. As I mentioned, we can use this regulator to control the LED's brightness. Let's test it out. If 30 watts isn't bright enough for you, we can always buy a higher powered LED and put it in this holder. To change the light's position, just remove one of the pin, rotate it to the desired angle and then put the pin and cap back on. I have got this 4-foot rod for the stand. Let's insert the base on one side and the holder on the other. Here's the final assembly. Let's adjust the angles and try controlling it. I think it's much better now.
Thanks a lot for staying this far, and a sub to the channel would really help in motivating me to make more contents like this. Please drop a comment down below if you have any queries or questions. And there is actually a tiny drawback to the studio light which I made right now. Since the studio light is running on AC power, it introduces a flicker. So to eliminate that, and since I reside in India, I need to set the shutter speed at 50 frames per second so that the flicker does not occur. So that's the tiny catch this light has. And yeah, thanks a lot for staying this far and stay creative.
A creation created for creators.